How to start a meeting on Zoom application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also using PC just like me, then first thing just head over to your Microsoft Store and you may have to click on or search in for Zoom application just like this. As you can see, there's a free application that is Zoom Workplace application, so you make sure you have successfully downloaded it. As you can see, I've already downloaded it, and if there's any update, you can also update your application. So once you do that, now just I want you to open your Zoom application just like this, and once you open your Zoom application, you may have to log in or sign into your account. As you can see, I've already signed into my account, so it's a quite easy simple process. So once you log in with your details, you just have to click on this new meeting over here. Just tap on this. So once you click on start, and there will be an option called start, just tap on this and you'll have successfully started. And now you can basically share this link from over here to any of the person that you would like to be connecting on this same Zoom platform over here. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.